On Apple here, you can see that it has been in a nice uptrend for a long period of time. And last time we drew in this little retracement coming down into this zone, being a nice little continuation zone to the upside. Well, we did get a bounce from it, and it did gap up for the next couple days after bouncing off of that level. We did not see the uptrend continue, and instead we have come down to this next daily demand zone down here, right around the 157.57, down to about 154.67, and that's the area that I'm really kind of interested in. Now, yes, this market is in an uptrend, and technically there's no reason to believe that it's not going to stay in an uptrend. I would like to see a bounce off of this zone right here in the direction of the uptrend. However, if price fails to do that and actually breaks the bottom of this zone down here at 154.57, then I think we could be seeing downwards, uh, a new downtrend. And so if this level breaks, then I think we could fall through this gap area here pretty easily, and we might see one more little hurrah back into the 160 area. But if we get a close below this zone, then I think that would start the new downtrend, and that would obviously be very, very interesting. So this coming week, I would like to see the uptrend continue, but also really kind of looking at the line in the sand, so to speak, of where the new downtrend could form if it does form. Looking at Motorola here on the daily time frame, you can really see that it has moved down quite a bit, and I would consider us at the last area for a uh, a real long opportunity to come in place. We are about to break the low here at 83.74, and if this low does break over the next week, then I would say that this market is going to be moving into a downtrend. But until that point, technically speaking, we are in an uptrend. So let's not put the cart before the horse and say that it's already in a downtrend before it is, but we are getting really down here on the curve, and we need to come back up and retest those highs here shortly for this market to remain long. So coming down into the hourly time frame, let's go ahead and look at a couple of the support and resistance areas that are going to be coming into effect. Now, first off, I just want to highlight this area down here as a nice little area of support that's going to be holding. And the other area of support that's going to be holding is going to be all the way back here from when this zone actually formed down here at the bottom. Okay, so be mindful of those two areas of holding support in this big daily zone here. And it's still too early to say that this market's in a downtrend, but it is really testing those limits of how low can it go. So be mindful also of the daily trend line to the downside that we have here and a potential bounce off of that. Really what I'm kind of seeing is right around here in the 86 level. If we can really close above that nice and strong, then I could say that we could easily start seeing the retest of the highs. But if we don't close above that on the daily time frame, then I think we could easily see the 83.74 low down there. And if price closes below that one on the daily bars, then I think we could be in a new downtrend. So let's see how price plays out this coming week.